Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today I am on the Summersville Lake here near Summersville, West Virginia, working on this Airstream. Kind of a unique thing. Actually, the repair's all done. I'll tell you right up front, repair's all done, but I wanted to show you what I did. And it wasn't my idea, actually. It was the customer's idea. Quick little history lesson. Typically, this is a man-made lake. This is a Army Corps engineer lake. Typically, when they build a lake, if they flood a town, when they build a lake, they name the lake and the dam after that little town or community. Well, when they built this lake, I don't know, a long time ago, several decades ago, the little town of Gad was in this lake. So I guess something went right in the federal government, and they thought, we probably should not call that the Gad Dam. G-A-D, Gad. So this is Summersville Lake and the Summersville Dam. So yeah, that's the quick little history lesson. These folks here rented this Airstream from an individual for a week or two, I'm not sure, probably close to 2 weeks. And they got here, there's no water or sewer, only power on these RV sites here at Summersville Lake. So they filled up the water tank on the way in yesterday, and it just never quit leaking. And this morning the tank was completely empty. So there's a leak in the bottom of the water tank, the freshwater tank, which sits right over top of the axles. It's under a cover. I wasn't about to try and drop that cover to get to that tank. So customer said, can we do something temporary just to get me through the week? So he said, I'm dry camping for the whole time I have this thing. I said, well, yeah. So let me show you what we did. I stopped at Rural King on the way here, picked up 2 5.5 gallon jugs. I've got a water pump on the truck. Battery's right there. So we just hooked up a water pump, dropped the inlet in the tank there, and there's nothing wrong with the city field side. So we just ran it that way. Yeah, pretty simple, and it will get him by. He's perfectly happy with this. And this will get him by for the week, and he's happy. It seems like the person who owns the Airstream's happy. I'm happy. Everybody's happy. So that's all I got. So won't y'all be happy? Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, criticism, concern. Let me know how you would have done this. I thought it was pretty nifty. So have a good day.